All right, you've got a broken pipe or you're wanting to install some new pipe and you don't want to call a plumber to do it. I'm going to help you out with some easy ways to install plumbing yourself. Now, when it comes to copper pipe, you know, most of the time you're thinking about sweat fittings. Well, you do have some options. Some options are these Sharkbite fittings. And the nice thing about Sharkbite, doesn't take any tools at all. You can cut your PVC, slide this on, and it locks into place. Now, you're going to see when you buy the fitting, there's some inserts in it. You would take these out when you're putting it onto copper pipes, because this is used for PEX plumbing. Yeah, that same Sharkbite can be used for both PEX and copper pipes. The advantage of that, if you got copper pipes in your house and you need to do repair, you can simply install one of these. I'm gonna just leave that in there for now, but you can install that, and guess what? You're ready to switch straight over to PEX, and your connection is done.